let me explain something. All right, looking at the leak, and I want to show you a problem. It is simple to fix. I don't know why people don't understand the principle. Somebody came and fixed this recently. Look at the silicone they put around here, they put around here, they put silicone here, but there's no fleece right here. Look, it's open. See that? The water just fills up and just goes in there. How can people just put any sealant without a fleece? You cannot do it. Then the water fills up from here to there and goes right into that screw. That's so ridiculous. People don't know what they're doing. Fix your roof, use a fleece. That's why I show every video how to use the fleece with the silicone or with turbo. It's a shipping warehouse in Massachusetts, close to Cape Cod, Middleborough. A seam on a metal roof. How to fix it and how to seal it properly. You can tell that people try to seal this seam with just liquid sealer. You can see they painted some liquid sealer over this everywhere, but it can never work. You cannot just do it with paint over everything and think it's going to work. No liquid can seal a seam like that. What you need to do is you need to clean it up a little bit. So I use a grinder. Alright, made it nice and smooth. You can see, look at it, nice and smooth. And then I use Super Silicone Seal, like that there. And I put a fleece over that. So let me start. You use a Super Silicone Seal. And I got it nice and smooth. And this is how you fix the seam on a metal roof, okay? Very simple if you know what to do. But you cannot just put a liquid sealer over a seam without the fleece. You cannot. It doesn't work. So I put the fleece down, cut it to size, and I don't go over the screws, okay? I stay shy of the screws because if you go over the screws, it's not going to work because it's going to make a bump and it's not going to seal properly. So the screws I dabbed with silicone already, and now I'm coming with a fleece and I cover the rest of the seam just shy of the screws, okay? And make sure you get it right in the corner there, like that. That's very important, that corner, very important. And then make sure the fleece lies flat. Every corner, where the corners are, you need to make sure the fleece is flat there. Otherwise, it's not going to work. Water is going to get underneath it. All right, and that's it. I got right in the corner there. Look, that's super important. You cannot not get the fleece in that very corner there. Then it's going to leak. And that's it. I covered it, and it can rain within a half an hour after you did it. It can rain. It doesn't matter. This will not leak. This is how I fix a metal roof seam, a leaky metal roof seam in Cape Cod, Massachusetts. See you on the next video.